Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can set up a reminder in Google Sheets. So to start, you can just open your file on Google Sheets, and to easily add reminders, you need to install an app an apps on your Google Sheets. So you need to go to the extension and go to add-ons and tap on get add-ons. After you tap on that, you'll be directed to Google Workspace Marketplace. And in here, you can start by finding Add Reminders app and click on the apps and install this app. So as you guys can see, I've already installed this one on my Google Sheets. Let's close it. So after you install, in the extension, there will be the Add Reminders app. So here I'm going to set up reminders. Click on Set Up Reminder. Now it's there will be this add reminders on the right, add reminders panel. Click on add a new reminder. Here you can choose the column or the one that you want to add reminder, and you can set the time 1 hour before, days, weeks, months, or years, or maybe I'm going to just find add 3 hours before. You can also change your time zone, and if you have more than one person using this file, you can choose to notify the other person or not. After that, you can just click on done. So after that, the reminder will be set up. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.